Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a portfolio list page. As you can see here, I have created some portfolio projects. Now I will create an empty page to display the list of all my portfolios. Start by adding a new page. Choose the Kameleon portfolio template. Once you choose the Kameleon portfolio template, new settings area will be shown where you can control the look of your portfolio list. You can choose the design layout you want, the number of items to show, the number of columns, animations, and more. As you can see here, there is a filter that you can enable or disable or change the look of it. To customize the look of your portfolio list, access Kameleon Portfolio Styler. There is many hover styles that you can choose from, and you have the full control over the look and style of each design layout. Let's take a look on how this works. Here I will choose the metro layout. You can enable the full width layout and disable the gotcha space between items. You have many settings and options that you can control. Thank you for watching.